Курение – одно из самых плохих качеств человека. И сегодня мы проверим реакцию людей на просьбу мальчика дать ему сигареты. И сегодня принимает участие мой оператор.
But somehow they come out in a smile, and I'm wondering if I'll always feel this way, this way. Tell me about those nights you stayed awake. Tell me about those days you hated me. Tell me how you'd rather die alone than being stuck here with me. And maybe you've fallen down, and maybe you took the long way home, but baby, you will never love you like me. And one day this will fade away. In the mirror you'll see your smiling face, and standing next to you will always be me, yeah, me. One day you're gonna see things my way. You gave me so much room that I can breathe.
Сегодня за весь день съемок нам удалось собрать 11 сигарет. Сейчас на ваших глазах мы их сломаем и выкурим в урну. Целых 11 штук. Мы за здоровый образ жизни, люди. Не курите никогда.